just going to take her in a couple of the classrooms, if that's okay, and make sure she has some time to interact with the kids and see what they're building.
Who wants to share?
Oh, that's awesome. Look at flip-flops. Fitbits, huh? Ah! So can you explain the whole process? It's okay. Okay.